Hi friends and welcome back to hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today it is day 18, and today we are going to discuss about the topic on while loops. With while loops we can execute a statement as long the condition is true. So let us take an example. Let's take an variable I and initiate it to 1 while I is less than, let's say, 10, and when we print I and I equals I plus 1, and when we print it we got a series of number from 1 to 9. So with the help of while loop we can execute the statement as long as the condition is true. With the help of break statements we can stop the while loops. Let's say let's use the same code like I equals 1 and while I is less than 10 and print I, and if I is equals to 8, then I want the while loop to stop, so I will use the break statement and I equals I plus 1. I got this one. So when I is equals to 8, the break, then I have break the statement. Even though our while loop has not reached to the condition to be true, but still we can break the while loop. Now let's use the continue statement. So with the help of continuous statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next iteration. So let's say I equals to 1 and while I is less than 10, I equals I plus 1, and if I is equals let's say 6 and continue, and then let's print I. So when we print this, here we can see the value 6 is missing, because with the help of continuous statement we can surpass this iteration. Now let's see the how else statement is used in while loops. So let's say I equals 1. This performs the in the way such as it performed in conditional statements. Let's say 10 and print I equals I plus 1. And then so when this part is become true, so obviously the other statement would be false, so we can use the else statement here. Else print I is no longer lesser than 10. So the while statement continues till when I equals to 9, and then when I becomes 10 it will show us the else part, that is it will print out I is no longer lesser than 10. And yeah, I hope you got a clear picture on while loops. And yeah, like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 19.